arrived yesterday. We got in about, what time did we get in? Like 2? No, we landed at 1. And then we stood in passport control for about an hour because it was like the slowest thing ever. Once we were through, it was quite easy. We just got like a bus straight from the airport to the tube, the metro. I want to call it the tube, it's definitely not the tube. To our hotel. We're staying at the Inside by Melia. I stayed in a Melia hotel before. I went to the Me Hotel in London, and that's the same company. So when this popped up, I was like, wow, we can trust that it's a good hotel because the whole chain of those hotels is really nice. So that's how we're staying, and the rooms are very nice, very my vibe, very my aesthetic. It's all very neutral. But yesterday was quite a fun little day. It was George's birthday yesterday, so when we got in, we just literally had a McDonald's and then got ready and went for dinner at Antigua, and then went for drinks at a little rooftop bar. Today's plan of action is to go and do a little bit of shopping. I actually realised I forgot to pack a t-shirt. I said that I was going to wear a white t-shirt and I've not actually packed one, so outfits have all had to change around. Probably going to have to buy one today, but that's fine. You can never have too many white t-shirts. This was the outfit of the day. Most of this George bought me for Christmas. This is an Adenola long sleeve grey top, which I love. It's so soft and it feels really supportive. And then he also got me these earrings as well from Astrid and me, and they're really pretty. They're like little double huggies. I think they're very cute.
I smashed it, people.
He actually did. He did very, very well. Never had such a good night's sleep the first night at a hotel, but I think I literally just died yesterday. Just had breakfast at the hotel as well, and I'm not gonna lie to you, it was probably one of the best hotel breakfasts that I've ever had. Let me show you what else I'm wearing today. To explore, I've got my Uniqlo tailored trousers, my Sambas, because I was wearing my heels last night and my feet are a little bit sore today. See my Adenola top, and then I'm wearing a blazer. It's actually gonna be 18 degrees today, which is relatively warm. Last night was quite nippy, wasn't it? So I'm glad I have my coat and my scarf. And then I think I'm gonna just wear this over the top, over my shoulders for a little bit of a cool grey vibe. I'm gonna wear my Uniqlo bag because I feel like this is probably the safest thing. I had such a good breakfast. I'm gonna be thinking about that hotel breakfast until tomorrow morning when we have it again. Also, we've decided to go bed and breakfast and then sort the rest of our meals. I would like to apologise now for any butchering of any names. I will leave the names on the screen so you can see like what they actually are, because if you went off my pronunciation of things, you would never find any of my recommendations. Whilst we're gonna go do a little bit of shopping, I'm gonna leave you with all of the clips that I filmed yesterday and just catch you up with all of the places we went to for dinner. So enjoy. Although I will admit, I prefer a mark when it comes in a glass like this.
Why is this live?
And not this. It's good nonetheless. Good levels. Hopefully you can hear me, and that's all for tonight. See you in the morning. We have just had a little wander around La Rambla, and then we went to La Boqueria and had some lunch, and honestly it was one of the best meals I've ever had. I literally said to George, I'm going to be thinking about those prawns for the rest of my life. They were amazing. A little wander, have a look at the sea, looking at the massive yachts. They're incredible, aren't they? But we're having such a cute day. I think we've definitely got our steps in today. We've done a lot of walking, but to be honest with you, probably for the best with the amount of food we've had and are going to have. Like one of these. Not fussed which one. If anyone wants to send me one, that'd be grand. I don't even know if you're going to hear me, but me and George have just been to Good News because I TikToked where was a good place to get like coffee in Barcelona, and this one kept popping up. It's kind of giving like blank street vibes, especially the interiors. I went for a vanilla matcha because me and George, I think we worked out how many steps have we done? Like
so far about 14,000
steps. We're shattered. We just had a look at bits we wanted to see. Now I'm having a bit of a, well, I'm having a bit of a refuel. I'm gonna head back and my camera's about to die, so this is great timing. Great matcha, by the way. Is it as good as Blank Street? The blueberry matcha does snap, but this one is good. The egg is back with some new makeup. I got this new eyeshadow from Sephora. It's called Twinkle Twinkle. I'll leave it linked below, and it's stunning if you want like a really pretty sparkly eyeshadow. Does not do like chunky glitter. And then like on my cheeks, this gorgeous little highlight. I don't even know if this is gonna, this stunning highlight. is so nice. It's more, I think it's supposed to be a highlight. I've kind of used it as a blush because it's got a bit of a pink to it, and I've already got like a cream blush on as like a base. I just feel like it looks really pretty. And then my outfit for this evening is not what I planned to wear. I have realised that I'm actually not that good packing last minute because I forgot white t-shirt. I forgot a white t-shirt. So today I like picked up another one from Uniqlo. And then I was like, oh, I'm gonna wear my black tailored trousers and this like nice top that I got sent very recently. And it's like the perfect evening-y top. And I was like, where is it? I looked through the wardrobe and I was like, did I even pack it? It must still be hanging on my rail in my office because I was like trying to be smart, hang up my outfits, and then yeah, it didn't flipping work out, did it? No. So this is what we're having to resort to of my pieces together to kind of make an evening look. But to be fair, I don't think it's too bad. I've got this ribbed roll neck. Thank God I'm doing a slick bun because I feel like roll necks are better when their hair's like slicked. This is from Primark. And then I've got some faux leather shorts on, some sheer tights, and then I've got my Bobby's kind of Western style knee-high boots. And these are actually really comfy. I was going to wear these in the day. I was supposed to wear them today, but I wanted to be super comfortable, and thank God we did because we did like 15,000 steps today. So I needed my Sambas, but this I feel like is a good enough evening one. I think I'm just going to wear my long black coat with this and then call it a look, and probably my Pelem bag again. Also, I wanted to show you my fragrance. How cute is this? It's from Creed, and they've given me a little atomizer. It's like a super bougie one. It's like magnetic, and then you like refill this, pop it in here. Fancy. And in here I've got Creed Carmina, which is like my evening scent of this trip, which is really, really nice. I really like it. It's very different to what I would normally go for, but I'm really enjoying it. I feel like I definitely needed that matcha. I feel like it started to kick in, and now I've got a bit more energy. I'm very excited for dinner. We're going to Bao Bao. I think it's like Asian pad thai, bao buns, all of that good stuff, and I'm so excited because that's like my favorite. Come all the way to Barcelona to have Asian food. Oh, we need to go. Our restaurant booking is at 7:30 and it's 7:15, so sorry, but that food was incredible. I mean, Jord eats fast, but I've never seen him demolish a plate of food as quickly as that.
I was gutted. I was gutted.
We had the pad thai. I think because mine was hot, I couldn't eat mine as quickly as he ate his. But I tell you what, it was incredible. All three things we've eaten today, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, have all been 10 out of 10. Incredible. Like, I would highly recommend that. So good. So we are now on our way to go get some drinks at a bar called Paradiso. It'll be really nice, but we are suitably stuffed, and it was so flipping good. Really taking a little stroll around Elborn. We wanted to go Paradiso, but they're a very long wait, so we've signed into the queue. My top tip if you're coming and you want to go to Paradiso would be go there first, log onto the queue, spend an hour and a half at a restaurant eating your dinner, and then when you get your message like it's time to go back to Paradiso, because we are now having to stroll for potentially like an hour.
Or just get there early and then
as soon as it opens, get in there. Yeah,
get there early to get there, because there'll probably be a queue before they open the doors.
Yeah, probably. I mean, hopefully it's one of those situations where in like 40 minutes time they're gonna go, oh no, we've got space for 2 people, but you just don't know these things. Don't know how Barcelona works, so just having a little mooch. Thankfully it's not that cold. One thing I would say is it's still fairly mild, which is nice. I think it makes it quite a nice place to come to in winter that's not hot. I mean, it's not going to be hot, but it's not freezing. Like, you're not shivering and perished and icy and rainy. It's quite nice and mild. I look swollen as for today. We had a lot of salty food last night. Bao bao. For some reason my brain can't process those two words together. I have to think about it. Bao bao. And I have a bit of a cold anyway. I just feel like my whole face is so puffy, and I have a nice little zit at the end of my nose. I'm giving Rudolph stuff if you have a cold. 10 out of 10. Would highly recommend. I'll leave a link below. I bought a Stanley cup this morning. Had an email through being like, the rose quencher is back. So I bought one. It's been years, months of me wanting to get a Stanley cup and never been able to get one, because they keep bringing out really ugly colours, and I'm like, no, I want the original ones, and they brought back the rose quartz, so I bought one. Just quickly about to rush out the door. This is what I'm wearing today. I've got these wide leg jeans. These are actually from Primark, and they're a bit of a vibe, I'm not gonna lie. I've got the Sambas on, blazer, wearing the knit over my shoulders again because we're gonna be outside, so I feel like it's gonna be cold, but also, I don't know, might not be. And then my Uniqlo t-shirt that I picked up yesterday. Jewelry wise, we've got Astrid and me little huggies in, my Monica Vinader necklace, and yeah, this is the look for today. Let's go. Getting into this one looks a bit more promising than Paradiso did. Fingers crossed.
There's no QR code for this one.
And the sun's shining.
We made it up. We made it up.
Second most beautiful thing in the shot.
When in Spain.
They didn't show this shit on the Cheetah Girls too. The fact you have to climb Mount Everest to get to... Which way are we going? This way. Got to be an easy way than this, Jord. I feel like there probably was. I'm sure on some guide somewhere it was like, get this bus, get this train, and then you can avoid the hills. My 12:3:30 climbs on the Stairmaster did not prepare me enough for this. Maybe I need like 20, 3:30 maybe.
She made it. I'm proud of her.
I'm absolutely shattered. The views are stunning. We bought crisps. This is our haul. Supermarket haul. We've got Chips Ahoy. Nice. I got that one onion crisps. Ham on crisps. Water and a crispy Coke Zero for me. We're making our descent and George just felt the need to tell me that he just clocked on that I'm literally business casual to climb mountains today. My legs were like jelly. The views,
was he thinking?
The view's stunning. Well, I wasn't thinking, you know what I should have worn? I should have worn the Lululemons. I should have brought my Nikes, my coat, puffer coat. This is a full-blown workout.
The sweatbands.
I need, you know, a backpack full of supplies. Honestly, he was like, you've got your blazer on. You're dressed for meetings in the city.
But we think you can get a bus up here. We think.
I would Google that before your trip.
That'd be really nice in the summer. I feel like you can't really go wrong with the Tatas Princess.
That was delicious. Really, really nice. The everything from the little starters to the creme brulee for dessert, that was delicious. The whole thing was so good. Yeah, we would definitely recommend booking there. Really reasonably priced as well. And now for a long walk home. Absolutely shattered. I feel like I've said that 40,000 times today, so I would like to apologise to you and to you for the amount of times I said it.
Oh, well, give me a copy of this, because that's the first time that's happened.
Also, tell you what was delicious, the sangria. That's the first time I've ever had a white sangria, and that was really, really nice.
I don't even drink wine, but that sangria was great.
Which I'm actually surprised at that you enjoyed it. That one, I'd say that sangria was nicer than the one we had earlier. So take two, we're trying again. We're here at 3 o'clock. It opens at 3. Hopefully we'll get in, it'll be fun.
I'm pretty confident we're going to get in now. They've just come and taken everybody's group numbers, so there's only 2 of us, so I think we'll be alright.
Hopefully it's not another hour and a half wait like it was the other night.
Which we gave up on.
I don't know what I was going to say. It'll probably come back to me, but...
It won't, we'll be drunk.
Hopefully. We just had Lady Dumpling for a little bit of a lunch. Actually this morning, I forgot to even tell you, we went to a flea market type thing, which really wasn't up our alley, to be honest with you. We prefer stuff on hangers. It was a fun thing to experience.
Our skin felt like leather after we were done.
I was like, we need to go and wash our hands. I think we prefer a charity shop where, you know, it's like a little old biddy sat at her desk, not doing anything, not shouting at you, because they were like shouting. So if you're wondering Westfield, I bought some bits. I bought a jacket from H&M. And yeah, I went to Lady Dumpling and now we're here. Hopefully we can have a bev. But that's what I was going to say. I just had a look on their Instagram. They said they were the #1 bar last year.
Yeah, #1, yeah.
#1. That's what I meant to.
Yeah, out of from like 50 best bars.
Also, why does it sound really scary? Look at this. Talk about front row seat. You can't open it.
Oh.
Hey.
And then you just...
Wow. Good morning from our last morning in Barcelona. So sad to go back to real life and eat boring food again. We have just finished packing up the room, packing all our stuff up. We're gonna head off to the Sagrada Familia. It's very exciting. I feel like that is one thing that you kind of have to do when you come to Barcelona, and we saved it for our very, very last day, mainly because we couldn't actually book any other day. Wait, it was like fully booked. This is the outfit of the day. I've got another top on underneath this jumper because despite it being like very sunny today, it's cold. So I've got that. I've got a big chunky knit on, my Primark jeans again, Sambas, and this little gilet is from Munich actually.